You are interested in the unknown, the mysterious, the unexplainable. That is why you are here. And now, for the first time, we are bringing to you the full story of what happened on that fateful day.
Throughout history, mankind has faced the believable and the unbelievable. UFOs. Bigfoot. The Loch Ness Monster.
For through our telescopic lenses, we saw the grey waters suddenly heave as the monster cut through them with lightning speed.
The idea that politicians pay their taxes. And the theory of Atlantis.
I believe in UFOs, astral projections, mental telepathy, ESP, clairvoyance, spirit photography, telekinetic movement, full trance mediums, the Loch Ness Monster, and the theory of Atlantis.
Well, tonight, you will eyewitness the unbelievable 500-gram fountain by Pyro Demon Fireworks. We will present it to you in two distinct views. One from the audience perspective, and the other zoomed in for a front row view. Let us know, Pyros. Does unbelievable inspire your belief in the pyrotechnic unknown? Or have we just eyewitnessed a fountain of a hoax? Let us know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And remember, be a light in the dark.
Some nice color right there. Some nice color right there.
Last week, Japanese scientists placed explosive detonators at the bottom of Lake Loch Ness to blow Nessie out of the water. Sir Court Godfrey of the Nessie Alliance summoned the help of Scotland's local wizards to cast a protective spell over the lake and its local residents, and all those who seek for the peaceful existence of our underwater ally.